Hello everyone, myself Sushil Kumar Pandey, your social science teacher. You all of you know that we had discussed the first lesson in geography, that is known as India's size and its location. Now, last 2 or 3 days we are discussing on the topic of the story of village Palampur. This is the chapter which is belong from economics, which is a new segment in the social science. Already 2 videos I have sent. On that videos I touch 2 main term, difference between the economics and economy. In second video we have discussed about the some fact or introduction of village Palampur, and also we have discussed about the factor of production. Now we are moving forward. So the next topic is, if land is fixed, so what are the new farming method which helps to increase the production? इसको हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि यदि किसी गांव के अंतर्गत जो लैंड है जो सीमित मात्रा में है, फिक्स्ड है, एज यू ऑल ऑफ नो दैट कि लैंड इज द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस एंड इट इज फिक्स्ड नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस. ये स्थिर प्राकृतिक संसाधन है, बढ़ता नहीं है, स्थिर रहता है. That's why we call it land is fixed. So on fixed land, which are the new method of farming through which we are able to help to increase the production? Now there are the 3 new method of farming. Through this we are able to produce more crop. In this way we are also able to get the more crop, as well as we are also able to get the more income. So the first one is crop rotation. इसको हम लोग हिंदी में फसल चक्रण कहते हैं. चक्रण का मतलब होता है चेंजिंग, यानी फसलों के अदला बदली से, फसलों के परिवर्तन से. इसका मतलब यह है, whenever we are talking about the crop rotation, we can say that it is a practice of growing different type of crops in the same field in sequence season. It means हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि एक ही सीजन में उस फिक्स लैंड पर हम लोग जिस फसल की खेती करते हैं, सेम सीजन में नेक्स्ट ईयर उस फसल की खेती ना करके दूसरे फसल की खेती करना, रोटेट करके खेती करना, परिवर्तन करके खेती करना. So why it is important? It is very much important to maintain soil fertility and crop yield. What happens if we are growing same crop on same land in same season? In this way, after some year, we have noticed that the production of the land is going to be decreased, is going to be destroyed. यदि सेम सीजन में उस सेम लैंड पर हम लोग एक ही प्रकार से या एक ही प्रकार के फसलों की खेती करते आ रहे हैं, तो कुछ वर्षों में हमें ये पता चलेगा कि उस लैंड की जो फर्टिलिटी है, उस लैंड का जो उत्पादन दर है, वो लगातार कम होता जा रहा है. So we have to maintain the fertility, because to maintain the fertility of land is very much important for farmer. In this way we are able to maintain the fertility of the land. The next one is mixed farming. मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग को हम लोग मिश्रित खेती कहते हैं. When we are talking about the mixed farming, it means it is a farming which involves both growing of crop as well as growing of fodder. You all have noticed that in village area most of the families are belong to farmer. In Palampur, which is an imaginary village, in this village also most of the families are belong to farmer. So being a farmer, animal is also very much important for farmer, because it is a source of increasing their income. So if any family is keeping farmer on self, so it need to fodder also. So whenever we are talking about the mixed farming, it is such type of farming in which growing crop, growing cereals along with fodder. गांव में आप लोगों ने देखा होगा बहुत से किसान अपने सीमित खेत के टुकड़े पर ही कुछ भाग में वो फसलों की खेती करते हैं और कुछ भागों में वो जानवरों के चारे के लिए भी जो है जगह छोड़ते हैं, यानी जानवरों के चारे की भी खेती करते हैं. ऑन सेम सीजन, ऑन सेम लैंड, क्रॉप्स as well as fodder also growing. This farming we call it mixed farming. Now the last one is multiple farming. So what is multiple farming? Multiple farming is a farming in which growing two or more crops in the same piece of land during one growing season instead of one crops. In village area we have seen that in a season every farmer are having using to grow one crop. In this way the production of the land are not increased, even the income of the farmer is also not increased. So how production as well the income of the farmers we are able to increase by multiple farming. In this farming we have to grow two or more than two crop in the same piece of land and in the same season. Now most of the students are confused that we are talking about the season. What is season? In agriculture basically there are three seasons. The first one is Rabi season, second one is Kharif season, and third one is Jaid season. Almost we have studied in previous class. So in multiple farming we are growing two or more than two crop. For example, cotton and chili, groundnut and maize. Whenever we are talking about the whole India, we have seen that in western part of our country, such as Haryana, Punjab, and